I'm sitting in my backyard with my butt against the tree, shooting, just trying to figure out where I'm gonna need to put the camera and whatnot to get this filmed and whatnot. So I'll shoot a couple arrows here and do some zoom in and try and get the hang of it here. So. Yep. Oh yeah, big old Tom. Running down the road, are you getting him? Oh, this is pretty cruel and unusual punishment. Right here off the road. As you guys could see, I was probably looking well within 100 yards. There's birds. I had one on the east side of me and one on the west side of me. The one on the west side, you can see them plain as day. I didn't plan for them to be in that tree on that side. But he could see me just fine. I don't know if he saw me or if the other dude spooked him. But the one on the east side flew down right towards my hand decoy. And he must have saw me or saw something he didn't like, and he kind of flared off and he went behind me. And I couldn't look, obviously. I couldn't move, so I didn't know where he was. And then another one took like 3 different hops to a different branch and flew to the other side of this hedgerow. So I grabbed my bow and I turned around and I didn't see anything. And it's pretty frustrating, all that work for nothing. Hunt over in about fucking 3 minutes. Sucks. This is public land in eastern South Dakota. There's about 2 spots that hold birds in the whole county. It's not an easy place to kill birds, so. put another arrow in him. All right. I'm sorry I didn't get it on camera. Now let me see if I can get this situation. I can't believe I did it. Alright, so here I'll show you what I got going on, or I'll try to anyways. So I had the decoys here, but I had the camera back here. And so he couldn't see, I couldn't see him. I expected him to be over here more, but he stayed tight because he was roosted back behind me. And so I kind of figured he would just come around and I'd pound him right there. But he flew down real early, came around all the way around, and he was strutting and drumming and stuff out there, out in the open. And I just sat here. He finally came in, and he was just pounding the hen decoy for the last 10 minutes. I don't know, I have to look at the recording. I don't know how long. You could hear him though. And he took a break. I got a chance to draw on him, and he just kind of gave me a little bit of an angle. Came out from behind the strutter. I pounded him. First turkey with the bow. I had some of it filmed. I don't know what you could see in the morning. He flew down real early though. But I'm gonna call Wes real quick.
Dylan?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Dude, 5 yards. He was pounding the hen decoy. He finally gave me an opportunity to draw, and I drew. I had to wait for another minute or so before he gave me a shot, and I pounded him.
Congrats.
I can't believe it. The camera couldn't see my decoys. He was supposed to come around from the west side, and he came from the east. He came all the way around me and came in from the back side, so I couldn't get it on camera, but you could hear him, you know, pounding the decoy and stuff, but you couldn't see it, unfortunately. But
That's cool.
dude, yeah, I'm jacked.
Fuck yeah. You smoked him, huh?
Yeah, I drilled him.
How far did you go?
He didn't.
He didn't go anywhere.
He walked like another step, laid down, and I put another arrow in him just to be sure, but he was dead, I'm pretty sure.
Was it big?
I don't know, I haven't got up yet. I've been doing the film. And I gave him a couple yelps. Dude, yeah, he pounded my decoy. Just wrecked my decoy. What'd you say? Oh yeah, he gobbled the whole time.
That's awesome. You finally got an old woodberry?
Yeah, I didn't think it was possible, but it is.
Well, if you're active the decoy, that's awesome. I've never even heard of that out there. Did you just have your hand out again?
Nope, I had the strutter. That's what did it, dude. That is what did it. No doubt in my mind.
You just ignored the strutter and just got on your hand?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, I pounded him. I don't even know where my other arrow is.
So you got your first bird with a bow and no blind.
Yep. Hey guys, so I just walked back to the truck and grabbed my tag and my remote from my camera so I could take some pictures and stuff. So just kind of walk you through what happened here. Basically, I was set up right on that corner there, and the bird was kind of roosted over here, and I'll kind of show you when we get up here, I guess, closer what exactly happened. But I hunted this bird once already, and I think I got too close and he busted me, so. Alright, so now we're a little closer. So I was sitting in that tree there, and it was a real stupid spot to set up. But it was dark and I couldn't really see that well. If you look, I killed the bird right here. I don't know how good you can see, but there's not much of a shooting lane there to my decoys. Luckily he ended up popping out on this side where I could get a little bit of a shot, but so that's kind of what the setup looked like. But he got down real early, way earlier than I expected. 30 minutes probably. And he come around I don't know if the camera could pick this up because it was so dark or not, but it was facing that way. So he came around and he was just strutting out here for a good while. And he finally just V-lined and come right in. He kind of slipped in between the decoys there and started having a little fun with the hen. And I don't know, that was probably another 5 minutes or so that went by, maybe more. And finally he kind of took a break and popped off. Oh shoot, that's not good. And I had a chance to draw, and then he popped out again. I didn't have to hold that long, thank God. And pounded him, so pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been going through every morning. When you got a fish kill and a flood in the same year, this is the kind of stuff you got to deal with. I'm just driving through dead fish, praying I don't pop a tire or something. It stinks. There's just dead fish everywhere. It's crazy. Not good. Also, the back of my truck stinks from trapping coons and stuff. So, he's riding shotgun. Gotta do what you gotta do.